Hey, I am cooking up some of my homemade chocolate chip for my chocolate covered peanut butter balls. And that's all I do. And I'm gonna heat this chocolate up slowly but surely. Just give it some time to mingle. It is melting up, looking very good. It's getting there, it's melting a little bit more. Just a few more minutes and it'll all be chocolatey. This is the melted milk chocolate, and here are all my peanut butter balls. They're all getting a bath in the chocolate, but they are delicious. I'll put them back in the fridge for, a good 30 minutes or so. That way the shell will harden. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions on cooking or baking, let me know. I'll do the best that I can to help. Have a great day. Bye-bye. All the different varieties, and I can make it any way you like it.